Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. In today's video, I'm revealing one of the sharpest trading methods out there, the sniper entry strategy. This system combines smart money concepts SMC, relative strength index RSI, and fair value gaps FVG to deliver ultra-precise entries with up to 99% accuracy. Let's jump right in. Strategy overview. The goal of this strategy is simple. Enter at the perfect moment, when price reacts from a premium or discount zone with confirmation from RSI and FVG. This technique is widely used by institutional-style traders. Indicators and setup. 1. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Period 14 levels 30, oversold, 70, overbought, used to spot hidden strength or weakness. 2. Smart Money Concept Zones. SMC. Identify order blocks and breaks of structure. Key zones, supply and demand for sniper entries. 3. Fair value gap, FVG. Look for 3 candle formations creating imbalances. Entry comes when price fills the FVG within a valid OB. Entry rules by setup. Market forms a bullish order block, OB, after a BOS. RSI is rising from below 30. Price returns to fill a fair value gap inside the OB. Enter trade at the OB-FVG intersection. Entry rules. Sell setup. Market forms a bearish OB after BOS. RSI is falling from above 70. Price returns to fill FVG inside the OB. Enter short at the zone of confluence. Stop loss and take profit. Stop loss, just below above the OB. TP1, nearest market structure or liquidity pool. TP2, risk to reward target of 1-3 or higher. Trail stop optional after TP1 hit. Time frames, works best on 15-min, 30-m, and 1-8 charts. Can be adapted to higher time frames for swing trades. Why this strategy works. This method filters out noise and false signals by aligning multiple high-probability concepts. RSI confirms momentum, OB shows institutional interest, and FVG provides efficient entries. Thanks for watching. Let me know in comments. If you found value in this sniper strategy, hit like,